Hi! Today we are going to learn how to allow users to buy points and sell items for points. The MicroPayments plugin allows you to create a virtual wallet for your users, reward them with points and let them pay for them using real money. The wallets are the accounts to which the points have to be connected to. They work very similar to bank accounts or real-life wallets. In this example use case guide, we'll cover how to set up wallets for your users and allow them to buy points with real money. We consider that you have already bought the plugin and installed it. You might also need to install payment plugins, easy digital downloads or WooCommerce. Step 1. Set up points values. Points prices is a section where you can set the prices and value of your points. To create points, navigate to CM MicroPayment Platform Settings. Click on the Points tab, click Add New. Setting this up is required if you want to enable your users to buy the points packages. Please note that the points value must be unique, so you always have one standard price for a given amount of points. Step 2. Add in wallets as an admin. While MicroPayments is active, every time you add a WordPress user, they will receive a new wallet. Head to the General tab. The relevant settings from the Wallet section. Assign a single wallet to each customer. If this option is enabled, a single wallet will be tied with each of your WordPress user accounts. Click the Generate Missing Wallets button to create wallets for existing users. Wallets quantity limit. You can set any number of wallets to each customer. To change this value, assign a wallet to each customer has to be disabled. Step 3. Managing wallets. To manage them, navigate to Manage Wallets. This is a very important screen as it allows you not only to see the details about wallets, but also to maintain control over all of your users' wallets. On this page you can list all of the wallets that have been created on your site. Check the users they are assigned to. You can go to the user's profile by clicking on the login. Check their balance in the points column. Check if they are active in the status column. Go to the list of their transactions by clicking on Transactions link in the menu under Wallet Code. Change their points value, charge manually, by clicking on Change Points Value. Activate or deactivate the wallet, remove the wallet, and use PayPal payout. MicroPayments has a built-in PayPal integration. To integrate PayPal, you need a merchant PayPal account. After activating the plugin, you should set up your PayPal credentials. Navigate to Settings, PayPal tab. When you create the account in the plugin settings, you'll be asked for the email which identifies your account on the PayPal system. You can mark the test mode checkbox to use the PayPal sandbox environment and be able to test the payments before you launch the website. The PayPal tab of the settings allows you to set up PayPal payout. This functionality lets admins and users to sell points for real money. To make this work, you have to enable the first option, choose the point to currency ratio, then create the application in PayPal and fill the client ID and app secret. Before using this feature on live site, we suggest trying the test mode. To integrate WooCommerce, it's necessary to adjust both MicroPayments and WooCommerce settings. First, we need to configure WooCommerce. So navigate to WooCommerce, Settings, Payments. Here make sure the CM MicroPayment method is enabled. Then click Manage. There is another toggle to enable or disable micropayments as a payment method, and you can also configure the title and checkout button labels. More importantly, the currency to points ratio defines the value of points. Next, navigate to CM MicroPayment Platform, Settings, General tab. Use WooCommerce for checkout. Necessary to activate the integration. Grant micropayments points per purchase. Grant virtual currency points for purchases users make in your WooCommerce shop. Allow to convert micropayment points into discounts. This option allows users to use the shortcode to use the accumulated points to buy the discounts for WooCommerce products. To integrate easy digital downloads, the only payment-related setting within the CM MicroPayment platform you have to select is the Use Easy Digital Downloads for checkout. All of the payments will be forwarded to the Easy Digital Downloads checkout page. After saving the changes, you'll be notified about the fact that all micropayment payments settings have been disabled. For the setup of payments in Easy Digital Downloads, please refer to the plugin's EDD help. You don't have to manually add the products to the EDD product catalog. It will be done automatically. Other options. Grant micropayments per purchase. This option allows you to grant virtual currency points for purchases users make in your Easy Digital Downloads shop. Allow to convert micropayment points into discounts. This setting option allows users to use the shortcode to use the accumulated points to buy the discounts for Easy Digital Downloads products. Allow only to buy products with micropayment points. You can add the micropayment also as a payment gateway in your EDD checkout page. Of course, it will still be possible to buy packages of points with the real money using the other defined gateways. Navigate to Downloads, Settings, Payment Gateway tab to define the micropayment defined virtual currency as the default currency for your EDD shop. This will display the price of each product as set in your product download page and micropayment currency value, and will only allow you to pay with the micropayment payment gateway checkout. Using this is of course optional. In this tab you can also configure a few labels. One of the options of using the points is changing them to discounts. The discounts are created by exchanging the selected by user amount of points to the discount having the fixed amount in the selected currency using the ratio set by the administrator. To make this functionality work, Easy Digital Downloads or WooCommerce must be activated, and the option allowed to convert micropayments into discounts in the relevant section has to be enabled in the micropayment settings page. There are two shortcodes for EDD and two shortcodes for WooCommerce. One to create the discounts and one to list the created discounts. First shortcode is for displaying the form allowing to change the points into discounts, and the second one allows to display the table of all generated discounts. But remember, it won't display anything if no discounts were generated. You can translate the interface by changing labels. Navigate to the Labels tab. This section allows you to give a name to your virtual currency and more. There are over 100 labels to edit. There are also extensive options so that you can determine the front-end text. Note that you can use any language of choice. One more feature is adding or subtracting points periodically. You can define a fixed amount of currency that will be added or subtracted from the wallet every defined amount of days. To set this, navigate to Periodic Grant Charge tab. You need to turn on periodic operations. Then define the interval of periodic operation and operation type, fixed or percentage. And the last field, the amount of points. Positive number to add the points and negative number to subtract them. Note that the interval will be calculated starting from the present day. That is, from the day when you save these settings. The plugin has a list of shortcodes for different purposes. Create Wallet button. Shows the button which, once clicked, creates a new wallet code to display the wallet. This action is done with an AJAX request, so it doesn't reload the page. Show wallet history. If user is logged in, it shows the latest transactions on the wallet. Show user balance. Shows how many points logged in user has on his wallet. Show purchase more points link. Displays the link to the page allowing to buy more points. Transfer points between users. Shows the form which allows to make a transfer of points from your own wallet to the other wallet with the known code. You can find much more useful shortcodes in the documentation for this plugin. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to configure wallets for your users and allow them to buy points with the real money. Thanks for watching the video.